All right, now we are moving on. We're ready to share our strengths. So in this case, I don't know why this is small. Can make it a little bigger. You probably shouldn't mess with this in yours, but anyway. So I got my strengths. I want to go in there. So I'm going to double click on the yellow box. It opens it up. There's a bunch of strengths already listed. I'm going to delete them because, again, you are not as passionate, honest, or creative as me. Or you might be. In fact, you probably are, even more so. But certainly you want to be creative enough to have your own images in there. So delete out the images I have. And then you're going to find your own, same way that we did before. But if you're having trouble finding strengths or thinking about what your strengths are, because you want to have at least 3 in that box, you can use the list to your left. So click on the link that says this list, and this will show you a student strength list. So you can go through these different strengths, and these might be ones that will help you figure out what you're strong in, what you're good at. Okay. If you don't know what any of these words mean, there's a particular word, please ask your teacher or another student to help you out, because you might find some new words to describe yourself that you hadn't really thought of before. All right. So in this case, maybe if I decide I'm artistic, I will choose that as my word. I'm going to go into Google, back up from my old image, and just click or type in artistic. Right, there's all these different images, right? I can choose one that I think is particularly cool. One thing you should notice though is, see the size here? You'll have these numbers on it. You really want some more smaller images, because if you use something that's like this, like 3,000 or even 1,000, 2,000, 1,900, right? These are really big images, and it might mess up your document. At the very least, it'll be way too big to paste into your document. So do what you can to find a smaller picture. So in this case, I like this the smaller one that's only 300. I can copy it, paste it in, and there we're ready to go. All right, if you notice that this pastes on top, if you want, you can hit Control and click, and then if you click on order, you can actually send backwards, and now suddenly you notice it's behind the word honesty. So you can actually change the order of how they are by doing that as well. So go ahead and share your strengths now.